Okay, that's me just back from Leafy's Wood, and I thought I'd show you that A3 size watercolour pad. This is the A4. This is the drawings I've been doing for my tomorrow's watercolours or this afternoon's. So I've been drawing lovely animals and whatever, getting ready for that. So I thought I'd open this up with you and let you see what the A3 watercolour pad looks like. Let me get the scissors. As it says, I've got Prime, as you can see, so it comes the next day, which is a benefit. If I'd ordered this off eBay, I'd have had to have waited till the middle or the end of next week, which is no good for me because I need it ASAP. As usual, Amazon packs it really well, which I do not complain because I use all the packaging. The size of this box to the size of the pad. Lovely though. This is a 40. Is it? Did I say 40 sheets? Oh, it's no, 20 sheets. 20 sheets. I thought 40 was a bit much, but 20 is good. So, there's the pad. Look at the size of it. 20 sheets, A3 size, 29.7 times 42 centimetres, 250 grams, 117 pounds. Ideal for what I need. And it's graduate, it's Canson. It was £12.99 off Amazon for 20 sheets. I normally use 190 grams, so this is a bit thicker, which is great. Yeah, it's got a textured surface as well, so that'll do me fine. So while I'm here, I'll just show you that other pad, show you the difference. This is the A4 size. I've already showed you this. And that was £9.99. Remember what I said to you? And we got free brushes and pencil with it. So yeah, that's me. Got the two sizes this week. £9.99 off Amazon as well. Lovely. So that's me all prepared. I'm happy now. I've got all my watercolour paper and whatever. I'm going to wait to have some lunch now. I just thought I'd come on and let you see that pad since I mentioned it in a previous video. Catch you next one. Bye bye. Now, where's those brushes?